Yeah, it's me, Natalie on that, and welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. If you're new, sorry, I clapped my hands then. If you're new, my name's Natalie. I like doing nails reviews, hauls, etc. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this. Now, I've already created this by using one of these moulds that I got from Temu and the Hello Kitty. So I've already created the actual kitty using this 5D non-stick hand gel, and it's very good. So I created this one of these down here. So that's her, and it's literally, I put it in the mould, clear, cured it for, how long did I cure it for? 30 seconds, yeah. Brought it back out so it's still a little bit pliable, and then I painted it white and put it back in to cure the white. And then I'm going to carry on painting her face because she's got sunglasses on, look, little sunglasses and a little bow, so we sort that out. I also made a smaller one, which I'll show you how I did this one. This is a smaller Hello Kitty. I'll put it on my hand so you can see it. You see that? You see it? Oh, come on. Focus. Anyway, it doesn't want to focus, does it? No, it doesn't want to focus. But it is there, I'll show you. So I made that, and I got a bow that I'm going to use as well. This one. That came out of the set that I got, them ones from the Temu order that I just got recently. So that's as far as now, this you will need a tiny, tiny brush. Now I do have a couple of different ones. So I'm going to use, I was going to use my dot, actually, I'm going to use the dotting tool. The tiniest point on the dotting tool, this one that I, again, got from Temu. I will use this old paint because I'm trying to use it up really. And before I do that, I don't want to get paint on everything like I normally do, because I'm a dingbat. Excuse me, just belch then. Forgive me. Right, so I'll just put her eyes on. Oh God, it's so small. But the way I look at it is I managed that one last night when I was doing... Oh, by the way, I've just basically stuck the Hello Kitty head to a nail thing. So just stuck it on. Just so I can turn it round and mess about. I'm going to have to use the brush though, because this Hello Kitty has got little tiny whiskers, which I'm going to have to show you. I mean, I'm saying it's Hello Kitty. It certainly looks like Hello Kitty. Oh, sorry guys. This certainly looks like Hello Kitty to me. So, I've got some stuff on that. I'll have to get that off. Right, the next thing I want to do is use my tiniest brush. Now, I do have a 4mm from Sparkles, so let's try that one first, because this is really small. But I do have an even smaller one for detail work as well, just in case this one doesn't work. Really, what you should do, if you first time doing nails and stuff, you should really prep your nail. You should put some. I'll show you. That's better. So this is not that. Get some base coat, preferably on a palette that you've got like this. Put a little bit of base coat on there. Doesn't have to be a lot because it's only a small brush. Obviously, the bigger the brush, the more you're going to use. And then just prep the brush just to. All that will do will help the brush a little bit, especially if you're doing fine work. I've seen lots of nail techs do that. It's just easier. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do these whiskers. Oh God, it's so small. Oh gosh, that's so tiny. But we'll go with it. I've just got one. And if you are new, I do like to count. 2. Don't know why, but I do it. That's the little whiskers on that side. And then because I've got it stuck on here, I can actually turn it round easier. And don't worry if it's not perfect. It's Hello Kitty. She has a few flaws, doesn't she? Now this is going to be really testing my skills. Because it's so delicate and fine, you know. but just take your time. It takes as long as it takes. You can take as long as it takes to do anything. Because the other thing I'm thinking of doing with this is a love heart shape, by the way, these little sunglasses. That's making it even more bloody hard work. But you can take your... Ow, nails digging, wings digging in there. You can take your time. Keep practicing. You know, it's as long or as short as you want it. You know, especially if you're practicing. Speed is key. There you go. That's yep. I can see them now. That's little sunglasses, and this is a bow. But I was going to paint this pink, but yeah, I think I will paint that pink. I'm going to use that one. Right, so I'll just get the black off this, then I'll paint it bow pink. So again, I will put some pink on here. Now you may have to prep your brush again. Why is that sticking up like that? It's doing my head in that. Can you see that? It's sticking up. Really winding me up. Why is it sticking up? Does anybody else have that? These are new ones, these. I'll have to sort that out in a minute. Because I need that again in a second. So we'll just paint a bow in this pink. But yeah, basically I just I put it in the mould, let it dry, took it out, and that was it. That's all I did really. And painted it white. That's her other bow. Her other bow. The other side of the bow. She's only got one bow. Dingbat. I should have painted her little... In fact, I will. I'll paint her sunglasses same colour as her bow. Might look cute, that, mightn't it? I'll show you something else that I did as well with this. Yeah, I'll do a little sunglasses pink. That'll look cute, won't it? I'll show you how I did the other Hello Kitty one as well. That's a bit different to this one, but it's right cute. Right cute. What am I... It's cute. It's not right cute. That's not proper English. It's very cute. So, there she's got a little song. What do we think of that? Do we like that? It's cute, isn't it? Pop her in while she's in there. What I'll do, just pop that to one side. I'm just going to clean this brush off because I don't want to damage my brushes. I really do like my ones from do you know what? I'm just going to Sparkle Supply. And if you do get anything from Sparkle Supply, it's 15% off. Links in description. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what I'm doing. I'm just wiping everything off this. Right, so I'll show you how I got that little tiny one. So what I did, I got some of this, and I think there might be some at the top that I put in last night. Did I put some in here? This stuff is brilliant. Honestly, this is great for you know, especially if you like to make things easier for yourself while you're learning nail art, while you're doing nail art, whatever you're doing. I just find this stuff really easy, and I like it because it doesn't stick all over your hands. So I got a piece of it like that. But before I put it in there, I'll show you what I did. Look at me, I'm like a kid. I put it in this. I can't remember where I got this, but I'm pretty sure I would have got this either from Temu or Shein. It would have been one of them. So I got it and I rolled it round in a little bit of this from the top, look, and then I rolled it. And we got that, look. Got that pink colour. Well, that one's a bit pinker than the other one. The other one's not as pink. So, and then I put that on. That's where it all came from on this. And I put it in the smallest one. I'm trying to remember which one I bloody used now. I forgot. Which one did I use last night? I know it was only a tiny. I'm trying to think. Her ears is sticking up. Oh, it might have been that one. That one. I'll put it in. Was it that one? Which one was it? Oh, it's that one up there maybe. Yeah, it's this one. Put it in this here. Pushed it all in to make sure it's all in. Now, you can add to this if there's not enough. You can add some more. Yeah, I'll have a little bit more because I feel like I need it. There's still some stuff on my hands. I'll add a bit more, just to, I don't want much, I just want maybe a bit more than that. We'll see. But there's stuff still on my hands, can you see? So it should still be a bit pink. So it's still pink up. And then just push it in. And then I just want to make sure. Then the next thing I did, because I want to make sure it's all in. Why can't I see it all in? Actually, I'm going to have to get it out of there because I don't feel like it's... Right, there we go. Just check it. Yeah, there we go. Because you can see, if you look underneath, like I said, this is how I've done it. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but this is the way I've done it with this. And I find the best thing I've used for it has been this this 5D gel, because you can play about with it. And also, what I have done, I'm just going to make it a bit more... Put a bit more of that colour, you know, make sure it's really mixed in. I can see that it's not as mixed in as it should be. That's better. Did I use that size? Was it that one? I'm wondering if it was one that were a bit smaller. Because I felt... No, it's definitely that one. I'll pop it in. And also... Yeah, that's it. Now we've got you. I'm going to call Madam. What I found... was that doing it like this, well, you can make as many as you want or whatever you want if you've got the mould for it. Yeah, let's do it now. There it is. I'll take off the excess here, just scrape it off, and if it comes out, you push it back in. Don't worry, because that's what I did last night. I had to just keep playing with it. Keep playing. That's it. Took some off there. Shouldn't need any to take any more than that off. There we go. There she is. I've just got to cut that bit off the top up there. Can you see? Oh, you can. Just need to get the bit off top so you can see your ears better. Like that. And I just basically cut this bit off here. Just a bit more. That's it. And then what I'm going to do, I'll check the other Hello Kitty one. See if she's dry. If she's dry, yeah, she's fine. Oh, isn't that cute? Right, she's going to go on a nail. So let's have a look at this one. And then this is all about just colouring her in, how we're going to say. So I'm going to put a little eyes on. Well, I'll say little eyes. Her eyes. God, I can barely see this one. You know, it's that tiny. Again, I'm using this dotting tool because I like it. I think this one is the smallest one I've got. And again, when you come to dotting, just keep it like... one. The only thing I will say about this is I probably... 2, 3. There we go. There she is. I'll keep it like that. I'll probably, I think the other one looks a bit better than her actually, but we're keeping it. Probably because I didn't feel like I was under pressure. Yeah. So, but anyway, we do know that these kind of ones work really well. So yeah, I'm pleased with them. And we've got her. So these are the 3 that I made, and then those 3. Got 3 little moles there, look. Oh. One a bit darker, one a bit lighter. I'll still use both of those. Still got that spare piece there. And then on the next video, I'll finish them off. Otherwise, it'll just go on forever, this video. But that's, yeah, I've managed to... I mean, she's really cute, isn't she? So, yeah, and we'll come back again tomorrow and we'll finish these nails off. So let me know what you think, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And don't forget to come back again tomorrow for the finished set. And I'll see you then. Bye, guys.